Do you remember the storm of the century? It was not long after the night of the Mechazoids, but still so clear in my memory.
What do you mean, do we remember? We were there.
Man, I thought we were gonna get
Why
food.
are you talking like this in
Why do you have
general?
a phone book on your lap?
It is for dramatic effect. April said I could tell my story my way.
I didn't mention props.
Now, where was I? Ah, the storm. And with it, our greatest challenge yet. This is a story about family, but also about home. It is a story about the dangers of irresponsibility, but also about setting an example. But it is also about...
Okay, we get it.
Are
Jeez.
you having memory problems? Because we can totally do something to, like, help or
I
something.
feel myself getting older.
God, I'm so hungry.
This is due tomorrow.
Let me tell you a tale.
Seriously.
It's gonna be amazing. Trust me. Just press play.
Pete, wait, remember what we said? If you get the feeling, don't!
There's no way. You think Kuzan was Zuko's grandfather? That's just crazy talk, Wingnut.
You're being so obtuse. Just listen to what Aang meant. Ugh. I'm sorry, should you be doing this standing in water?
Genghis, you ate every single thing in the fridge. That's not cool, cuz. That's not cool either.
Oh, God. Good morning. It's another beautiful day in our sewer home.
No, it's not. This sucks. We've been trapped down here for 3 days because of this stupid storm. I mean, everything's soaked. The power's going out. They canceled school. They canceled wrestling practice. The octagon where I kickbox is flooded. I haven't armbarred anyone in 72 hours. Not to mention, we're stuck down here with the mute animals.
They are sheltering in place with us during the storm. It's quite nice to have the company.
Okay, but Pigeon Pete is using my bed as a bathroom. Pete, stop!
Are you doing your meditations? Remember what we talked about, son. Chopping wood.
I chopped all the wood, okay? Everyone's always in my face. I can't even hear myself think.
We are all on edge. Let us take a collective breath. Find your meditation pillow.
Oh, come on!
Meditation pillow, now! Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe, 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 breathe.
Whoa, it's really getting it out.
It's just a construction crew, probably. You know, shoring up the river walls, preventing more flooding. It's a good thing, Raph.
Use your words! I'm done talking!